بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. This is your English class. Let's start the class with A to Z poem. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Very good students. Okay students, look at this card. What is this? Yes, this is F. What is this? F. What is this? F. And what is the sound of F? What is the sound of F? This is F and the sound. This is F and the sound. Students, we have learned the name, sound and action in our previous lecture. Now we will move toward the formation. Today we will learn the formation of F. Today we will learn the formation of F. But first we will revise the previous lessons. Okay, we will start from A. This is A. This is A. A sound, A. A sound, A. A sound, A. This is B. B sound, B. B sound, B. B sound, B. This is C. This is C. Sound, K. This is C. Sound, K. C sound is K. मेरे साथ पढ़े बच्चों. C sound, K. This is D. This is D. D sound, D. D sound, D. D sound, D. This is D and D sound is D. What is this? E. E. E sound, E. E sound, E. E sound, E. This is F. This is F. And F sound is F. F sound, F sound, F sound, F sound. Okay students, now we will learn the formation of F. Okay students, now air activity. Make straight your right arm like this. Raise your two fingers. Just move the wrist. But be careful, try to not move the elbow. Okay, now let's start. Round all the way down and across. 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 Okay students, now table activity. Clear the table and start the tracing over the table, but this time just one finger. Okay, we will start. Round all the way down and across. 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 Okay students, now sand activity. Take the sand in a disposable plate and start the practice with your right hand, one finger. Round all the way down and across. बच्चों ये देखें, ये F बन गया. Round all the way down and across. Round all the way down and across. Round all the way down and across. Very good, Shyal. Round all the way down and across. Okay. सब बच्चे श्याल को फॉलो करें. Round all the way down and across. Very good, Shyal. Okay, students. Now it's the time for another activity. Take the Play-Doh. Okay. Take the Play-Doh. Mix it. Roll it like a snack. Okay, students. Now cut it. Round it. And all the way round, all the way down and across. Round all the way down and across. Okay students, now look at Shyal. बच्चों अब आप श्याल को देखें. श्याल को बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. Very good, Shyal. Now round all the way down and across. Very good, Shyal. Wow.
All the way down and cross.
Once again.
Round all the way down and cross. Round all the way down and cross.
And okay students, उम्मीद है आपने एक ही फॉर्मेशन सीख ली होगी. Now open your notebook. It's your homework time. Students, you will write day here. Homework, date. यहाँ पर आप डेट लिखेंगे. Draw the margin line. F. ओके, मैं आपको बताती हूँ आपने F कितनी लाइंस में और कैसे लिखना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव 4 लाइन्स. हमारे पास 4 लाइन्स हैं. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will write F in upper 3 lines. Round all the way down and across. Round all the way down and across. बच्चों आपने ऐसे ही इन लाइंस में F को लिखना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस. फिश. बच्चों ये एक फिश है. फिश. आपने इसको अच्छा सा कलर करना है और होमवर्क करते हुए अपनी एक अच्छी सी वीडियो बनवाएं और हमसे व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर करें. ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.